So we're in the sim lab where all the craziness is happening. So this is how we mount our facebow record onto your articulator. We'll try to simplify this. You'll have a knob here on the top that you'll need to unscrew, and that separates your ear bow from the rest of your bite fork. There's a little tab that came with your facebow. This part goes, center it on the hole, and we'll screw this down. So this is a platform that the top part of the articulator will rest on. The next part is to set up your articulator with a mounting plate on your top member. And then what you want to do is, this is a mounting jig that you also have. That'll go in the center. The big hole goes into the center here. And you'll have this magnetic plate will engage with this device here that helps support the bite fork. So you want to center it, and it just kind of locks onto there through a magnet. Okay, so now this is stable on the bottom. You'll notice that there's a square here that corresponds to a square here. This part will engage into the square, and it'll help orient you into the center of the articulator, like so. They have these little blades here. This knob here lowers and raises this bar here. The purpose of this bar is that when you put your maxillary cast on top of here, it has something that will support it in case it's too heavy. So you can toggle the height of this by turning this knob here. So we'll get it centered, and we'll kind of get it tightened so that when I push down, there's some support there. Now we can undo this pin here by unscrewing this knob. This should fit onto our bite fork. So that's the whole purpose of why we index the teeth. It's for the cast that we poured up to index back here. Now when you set this upper member back on the tab, you just want to make sure that there's enough room for plaster in between your cast and then your mounting plate. Sometimes it's so high up that you don't have enough room.